Hello everyone, myself Shubhangi. Today I am going to deliver internship seminar on salary prediction using machine learning under the guidance of Professor Alam Prabhu sir. Domain of this project is machine learning. Machine learning is the art of enabling machines to learn things which are not explicitly programmed. Machine learning is one of the applications of Python. Python is widely used general purpose high level programming language. Python is a programming language. It works quickly and integrates systems more efficiently. Python can be used in operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Contents. These are the contents of my project. That is introduction, objective, methodology, task perform, testing, advantages, application, conclusion. First one is introduction. Here we are predicting salaries using linear regression. In machine learning, regression algorithm helps us to build a model by which we can predict the value of a dependent variable from the values of one or more independent variables. For example, predicting the future demand for a product based on previous demand. Similarly, here predicting the salary based on year of experience of an employee. Objective. The main aim of this project is predicting salary and making a suitable user-friendly graph. From this prediction, the salary of an employee can be observed according to a particular field, according to their qualification and experience. It also helps to see the growth of any field. It can produce person salary by clustering and predict the salary through the graph using linear regression technique. This graph helps to predict the salary of an employee based on his position level. Simple linear regression. Our project is completely based on simple linear regression algorithm. Simple linear regression is nothing but it is a statistical method that allows us to summarize and study relationship between two continuous variables. One variable denoted as x is regarded as the predictor or independent variable. Other variable denoted as y is regarded as the response or dependent variable. Methodology. The methodology follows the best practices in literature and in the industry, including different phases. First one is data collection. A Python-based web crawl is developed to parse and gather the necessary information from the website. Data cleaning. Here, posts with missing values are removed and possible conflicts in the data formats are fixed. Data description, in which statistical tools and simple models are used to provide compact description of the data. Automatic feature selection. In this phase, feature selection algorithms are used to automatically select the most informative feature in the dataset with respect to the output class. Model selection. In this phase, a grid search is performed to find the optimal hyperparameters for a set of well-known machine learning models. Model training and validation. In this phase, the selected models are trained and cross-validated in order to find the classifiers that best describe the data and are able to predict the output variable with the highest scores. Model comparison. In this phase, each model is compared to other with respect to standard scores. Task perform. Here we have to predict the salary of an employee given how many years of experience they have. Let's look at the dataset in the table. It has two columns, year of experience and salary for 29 employees in a company. So in this example, we will train a simple linear regression model to learn the correlation between the number of years of experience of each employee and their respective salary. Once the model is trained, we will able to do some sample predictions. Testing. There are 5 steps to implement salary prediction. First step is importing the dataset. Here, code snippet is used for loading the dataset. Here, we will using pandas as data frame and x is the independent variable which is year of experience and y the dependent variable which is salary. Second step is split dataset into training set and test set. In this step, we have to split the dataset into training and testing. We will use the training dataset for training the model and check the performance of the model on the test dataset. Third step is fitting the model and making prediction. This step is very simple. We will be using the linear regression class from the library skl learn.linear model. Fourth step is visualizing training set results. This graph shows visualizing training set results. In this step, first we will plot the actual data points of training set, that is X10 and Y10. Next we will plot the regression line which is predicted for the X10. Fifth step is visualizing test set results. This graph shows testing set results. In this step, first we will plot the actual data points of testing set, that is X test and Y test. Next we will plot the regression line which is predicted values for the X test. Advantages: the modeling speed is fast and it does not require very complicated calculation. Runs fast when the amount of data is large. The understanding and interpretation of each variable can be given according to the coefficient. Application: this project is used in IT companies. It helps to understand the business better. Conclusion: this work focuses on the challenge of predicting the salary offered by companies through job posts on the web. Instead of focusing on international and multi-domain web portals, which are abundant in terms of number of posts, this work analyzes job posts collected from TechnoEmployee and a recruitment website specialized in jobs for young people. Thank you.